So for me, for the front lever planche side split, we've just got the dynamic versions. So with the rings, you're going to raise them up quite high. The easier level would be just the full dead hang, and then you're activating those lower traps as you're pulling the knees up into the chest. Once you've got that down, the next level would be to do the same thing, but you can kind of use the legs a little bit, bend the arms and jump, tip back, and then lower down. So you're getting that eccentric, but you're getting 3 reps. Your next level would do that without the jump. So you're just doing a bent elbow, pull up, and then try and get the straight elbow on the way down. You find the lowering straight really heavy, which it is quite hard. Just bend the elbows a little bit, or bend them more when you're starting out. As you get better, you can keep them straight. And then obviously the full version is just keeping the elbows locked the whole time. So from there you get that active pull, roll up, and then unroll. So really getting 3 reps of that in 30 seconds. It's pretty heavy. Doing it dynamically like that, but again, do the version that's right for you. Warm up, make it feel good. Now here I've got 3 bands. I'm going to need a lot of help with this one. This one's quite heavy, so you can thread all 3 over at once. Pull them through. So this one is the tuck dynamic. So it's a heavy press compared to a normal press to handstand, the pipe one, or even the straddle one. It's much heavier, so you're going to need a lot of help to get up. So it's quite hard to get into a band that tight, and it's really going to do a lot of the work. But the whole point of it is to tuck and then lift, and to feel that. So you can see here it's doing most of just holding me up. It's hard for me to get down. But what I want to try and do is feel that position here and then press up. So it's not a big movement, but that for some people that's what they need to get that feeling of the tuck transition. And then obviously all you do once you're feeling good is you work down the band. So I can go to the next level, would be the black and purple, and those 2. But you're trying to feel that transition from that pipe or that tuck handstand down into the planche and back up. You can even do a little bit of a hop to get up, to get it started. But you try and get that press position and then lower. So you've got to find that position with the hands. Up, down. That's quite heavy press to do. So you will need the extra band help compared to just doing a static isometric hold with the planche position. So from here, just got the froggy side split stretch. So you've got both knees down and just working dynamically forward and back. So trying to hit all those different fibers, the shorter adductor fibers, and really open up the groin. So you're coming right back and right forward. So you deload it with the forearms being on the ground or the arms straight like I had before, and just trying to get those hips down, breathing into that. After that, just get a bit of a wrist stretch and a nice deep breathing before you go into the next round. Remember, the first 2 rounds really go easy, warm up properly, and then go hard on those 3rd and 4th ones.